We are live. What's up, everybody? Happy Friday. Hope all is well. We're jumping right into a crypto market analysis. We haven't done this live in 3 months. Last time we did this live was in June, right before I left for Thailand. And it's good to be back. Good to doing these lives. Happy Friday, everybody. So if you already know off the bat, my IG, I cannot go live. I'm just going to mention it quickly. I spoke about the ELECTION. I just said before that the market this, and they took away my thing, my ability to go live. They took away my ability to be promoted all over IG. My videos will get no views. They're going to destroy my reach. And that's how it is. This is why you have to depend on the market. This is why that famous quote from the Bible, it's in the Quran, with hardship comes ease. With hardship comes ease. And I'll say it again. With hardship comes ease. What do I mean by that? In the beginning, learning crypto, learning stocks, learning Forex, learning futures, options, whatever. In the beginning, with hardship, it comes with pain and suffering. Countless hours lost, relationships broken, your mental stability thrown out of whack. With hardship comes ease. In the beginning, everything is hard. You must neglect everyone and anything that you love for a short amount of time, depending how good you are at learning and picking up patterns and trends and learning new concepts. In the beginning, with hardship, and in due time comes ease. And God has promised it. He literally has said it countless occasions. The prophets have said the same thing. With hardship comes ease. So what I'm about to go into, I know a lot of you will be upset because the altcoin market is a complete wreck since last time I left you all. The altcoin market is a complete travesty. It's a complete wreck. Even on my IG stories when I posted, drop what tickers you want, I felt the sadness in a lot of the tickers that you guys said. And I'm going to go over it tonight on the crypto market analysis. Happy Friday, everybody in the chat. What's up, Ronnie, Hassan, Mr. Rod from New Zealand, Bristol, Jason. Jason, is that the same Jason from New Zealand? Is that the same Jason? Bartle? Forget photographic memory. IK, Pat, Daniel, Pat. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? So, what's up, JP? So we're getting into it right now. I have a major announcement. It's already pinned in the message, but the major announcement, I'll just announce it right now. I'll announce it a couple of times. It is a go. Pre-orders are ready to go. Shout out to Mr. Peter out in Florida. Got the first bundle package. The pre-orders are ready for the new book. The consistent journal right here, checklist. This thing will change the game for you when it comes to trading, hands down. This has already been released. I don't have the third one. Publishing company has to send it and it'll be here. But the third one, my How to Hit Sell, is out for pre-order. And I'll just say it right now quickly. If you pre-order before December 31st, 2024, before the year ends, you got 2 months, you will get, for free, I'm going to have to do this a couple of times because people are going to ask me, a Just Hit Sell poster, the bundle package. If you get the Just Hit Sell book, you get the Just Hit Sell poster. If you get the trading journal checklist, then you get the mat. You get this the exact same one I have, by the way. You get this with the most important things to focus on. If you get the bundle package, you get it both for free. You also get free shipping. The shipping is going to cost a fortune. This book is heavy. This book is heavy. You're going to get free shipping and something I've never done. You will be put into a raffle to win one free 3-day New York mentorship where I pay for your class. You will be put in where I pay for your class. I've never done that. You can check the chat. Never, ever, ever have done that. So that is what's going on. Mentorship students, don't pay full price. You get 50% off everything in the secret Instagram. Don't pay full price. So there you go. Let's get into the class. So the coins I'm going over tonight are the ones that you posted on my IG stories. So let's go. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Madic, Bonk. My brother Sadhu Nails, I got you. I know you actively trade Bonk. AERO, Arrow, FTM, Phantom, SOL, Solana. These are the coins that you mentioned to me. So I will be going into them tonight. Remember, I will be back on live on Tuesday, 8 p.m. on YouTube. The IGs are not happening for 30. I will come back after the ELECTION. They said a few days after that, I can come back. It's okay. Suppression. Control. I get it. I guess I'm just not going to talk about a lot of things anymore that I can't talk about because I'm being suppressed heavily right now. So I got suppressed on TikTok, even though I'm live on TikTok right now, I was suppressed on that. I've been suppressed on, honestly, I don't care if I'm suppressed on IG. I'm not going to lie. I don't care. I don't even like IG. I'm just being honest. I've always said I don't like Instagram. I'm going to be straight. YouTube I like. But the problem is when I travel, I was in the Catskill Mountains since last week. I only went live twice and they took away my rights to go live. So I couldn't go live on Tuesday. I couldn't even go live if I wasn't in New York. Like, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's go. Let's go. What tickers are you guys looking at? Follow me. Come on, folks. So let's talk about the big daddy of them all, Bitcoin. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's go to a higher time frame. By the way, all of you should be on page 100. Every single one of you should be on page 100. Let's go. Let's go full screen. By the way, the TikTok family, if you're watching and you're not a degenerate, day trade professor, jump in the chat. Jump in the chat. Page 100 of this book. Now that I've written 3 books, praise God. Never thought that day would come, I swear to God. This book, I'll have to point from now on. Page 100 of this book, page 100 of this book. Let's go. What stage? Flood the chat. Let's go. Jason, Rumble Professor, redirect us to Rumble. I have a Rumble, man. That'll be the next one. God forbid if I get taken out on TikTok, IG, YouTube. Rumble is the last one. We do have Twitter, X. But their platform sucks with videos, man. It's not as good as IG's. I'm going to be honest. IG's video platform is awesome. I can pull up a chart, make myself a little box, and teach a lesson. You know what I'm saying? That's why it sucks. Maybe they'll get better, and then we'll move into X. Yeah, then I can really talk freely. Let's go. Stage 3, stage 3, stage 3. Let's do it. For those that don't know what I'm talking about, again, your life is very simple. The first book. The first book. Stage 1. Stage 2. Stage 3. Now here is the thing. Bitcoin has been on a stage 3 for 2, 4, 6, 8, almost 7 months now. It is just holding. And this is my perspective, and I have to talk in code because I got in trouble on TikTok for saying the exact thing. I don't want to say this, but I don't understand. I have to say this. Because me saying this word, I can't say this word, folks. They're suppressing everything related to this. Anything, and they've already come out, and Elon even retweeted it. People at Meta and the other groups are openly in secret recordings been caught saying, if you talk about this, they're going to suppress you, and they're not going to tell you that you're being suppressed. God, I hate YouTube. It says I'm not live. I know I am because the chat's moving, but it says I'm not live. God, YouTube, you two suck. YouTube sucks too. I'm going to be honest. I love my brain. Anything, it makes me laugh automatically and takes me out of that situation. Actually, the chat is frozen. You hear, I know why the chat is moving now. Now, there we go. People, you got to keep actively chatting in there. So I know the chat is, if the chat's moving, I know we moving. I cannot talk about this thing. I cannot. So as of right now, I have to create a code word for it. People hook me up. Don't say the word in the chat. I know, Sal, I'm trying not to get in trouble, bro. I'm trying. But the thing is, I didn't even say anything to get in trouble. All I said is, before this event, the market goes like this. That's what they do. They do that to the thing to make themselves look good. That's all I said. This is common knowledge. This is not a secret. It's in regular mainstream media, for God's sakes, man. How do you get in trouble for saying something that is obvious? I've been saying it for years, but I guess they're really clamping down. But point is, we're going to have to create a code word for this. Okay, PR787, you're going to get blocked. You got to chill with the emojis. It's your last and final warning. I told you last time. Your last and final warning. Maybe they have an AI screener. I knew what you meant. Yeah, of course they do. I guess you can't say names. Promise land, let's go. Can someone, we got to come up with a code word. Something, because I have to talk about it. I'm going to have to, hold on. Let me go to Google. I have to think about a word. I'm not getting in trouble again. It's very annoying. Can't say that word. Can't say that word. Okay, damn, none of these words, they all get me in trouble. I'll just have to spell it. E-L-E-C-T-I-O-N. E-L-E-C. Point is, let's go back to the lesson. It's a little frustrating because I literally said nothing wrong. I don't curse. I don't do drugs. I don't say inappropriate things. I don't do anything X-rated. I literally am the cleanest person that goes live without any belligerence. And I said something that's historical fact, and my account is now suppressed. But whatever. I'm going to let it go. Point being, let's get back to the lesson. Point being, we have been on a stage 3 for like 7 months on Bitcoin, right? Stay with me here. High probability they're waiting on this to see what happens here. Because if I don't want to see, I have to see how I am now. Every word I've been censored so hard that now I'm watching every word I say. This is not a way to live, man. This is not a way to freaking live. I literally can't even give a lecture properly because I'm scared to be taken down. I'm gonna be honest. I like YouTube Live. If they took that away, man, that's a problem. I enjoy it. I have to sit down right now. Because now I'm frustrated because I can't. How am I going to give a lecture if I can't talk freely? Every word out of my mouth is censored. And I'm afraid if I say... We know what you're about to say. I know you do. You guys have been with me long. By the way, I appreciate all of you on the live. I appreciate you all on the live. Thank you. Call it Pick a Leader Day. He knows too much, I guess. That's the problem, Villa. They only suppress those that speak the truth. That tells you you're right. That's the scary part, right? The person that speaks the truth is the one that gets in trouble. But if I sit here and lie, bro, you know what? Screw it. Kamala Harris is the greatest person to run for election. Joe Biden did a phenomenal job. Listen, the Democrats, the last 4 years have been spectacular. The border is the safest it's ever been. Everything pro. I am pro. No, sorry, I'm not saying that. I'm a Muslim. I'm not going to say that thing. That's a sin. But the Democrats are doing a great job. Kamala Harris, Joe Biden, they are doing a great job. I support it 100%. I support it 100%. What else can I say that supports them? What else? I support everything. I think the vice president did a phenomenal job all these 4 years. I want another 4 years. Blue states. Let's have this election win drastically. This election, listen, forget Trump, but Kamala Harris is the greatest. I think she will be an asset. We will have the greatest nation. It will fix all the mistakes that we're going through. I am for it 100%. Madam, our first female Indian black president. I don't know what else race she is, but I support it. We need a woman president. We need all of it, baby. I support all of it 100%. 100%. 100%. I support them. That's it. From now on, I figured out the hack. Thank you. My brain is a genius. I figured it out. I'll just say everything that supports them. How could I get in trouble? It's awesome. It's awesome. How do you get in trouble? Just say what the people that control the narrative, right? Here, stay with me here. All I said is things are being blank, 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 and they took me down and suppressed me. So what do I have to do to fix it? Very simple. Very simple. I'll just support whatever they want me to support, and I get to stay on. That's how the people get all these views, right? And they don't get taken down. No demonetization. I don't care. I took off my monetization on these videos. Last time I checked, where's the ad? Where are you skipping ads on any videos? Where? There's no ads on this. I took it down. Screw it. Screw the YouTube money. Screw the YouTube money. We live. The lives, man. Screw we live right now. All I'm trying to say is, let's talk about his velvet blazer. Blue, baby. We support Democrats. Democrats all day. I don't know what else they support. I'm not going to talk about ABOR. I'm not talking about that thing. I'm a Muslim. I'm not getting in trouble for that one. Point being, blue all day. Kamala Harris will be the president. I love it. I love it. I love it. I support it 100%. So let's go back to the charts. All right, there you go. Now I can't get in trouble. I can't. Yo, listen to me. Listen to me. How are you going to get me in trouble when I support you? You can't even, don't take me down. I support it. 100%. 100%. Listen, the last 4 years have been amazing. Ever since Joe Biden has been president, the country is, we are respected worldwide. Nobody's at war. We protect everyone. Anyone has a problem, we're going to send them money and we're going to protect everyone. They take care of Americans so nicely. Bro, we have never been better as a nation under Joe Biden as our great president and Kamala Harris as the vice president. She will be the greatest president. Watch. 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 Let's go. 4 more years. Yeah, you got it, baby. So now, how are you going to demonetize me? You want to use this against me, AI? You can't use it against me. I'm saying I agree. I say I agree with you. I'm saying I agree. I love it. I support it. Let's go back to the damn charts. Okay, I felt better. That felt better. Let's go. That felt better. I'm good now. All right, we're on a stage 3 on Bitcoin. Back to the charts. Back to the charts. All right, I'm sorry. You could tell I'm a little upset they took away my live, all right, on IG because I spoke about this. You could tell I'm a little upset. What do you want me to hide it? I'm not an actor. What do you want me to hide it? I love going live, bro. I hate posting. I hate the DMs. I hate everything about social media. But going live and connecting with my community, with my people, you take away that because I spoke the truth? Come on at this point, man. Come on at this point. You know how bad I like going live? I go live when I'm on vacation. I'm chilling. I'm trading. Oh, I had a great trade. Let me go live and talk about my trade, bro. I'm trading futures. For God's sakes. I wrote 3 books. I've been doing this for 12 years. And you took away my right to talk to you people. This is where I like talking to you, right here. This. And they took that away from me. For God's sakes. Back to the damn charts. Back to the damn charts. All right. Bitcoin has been on a stage 3 for like 7 months now. And I'm telling you right now, because what's coming in the next this is going to play a pivotal role on what's about to happen with BTC. If we got to talk in code. We got to talk in code. The algorithm is listening. I see. I got to watch. If Harris becomes the president, because that person is very anti, this person is against. They want to heavily do things to this. High probability Again, I'm just going off of textbook. Oh shit, my bad, bro. I didn't even acknowledge you. Mr. Z the man. Hey, Professor, long time no see. This is Z. Thank you for donating $2, my brother. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Let's go, you magician. Why am I being called? It's my school emblem right there. Why am I being called the magician? By the way, from now on, if I ever go on a rant, make sure, because sometimes I go crazy, don't ever let me say this word again, please. Please. Don't ever let me say this word ever again. Because they took away my Instagram powers. I even posted about it a reel. They took it all away from me. Take away everything from my life. Don't take away my ability to talk to you on a live. And don't take away my ability to trade. That's it. Take away everything else. I don't care. Burn it all to the ground. I don't care. But don't take this away from me. I wouldn't be live almost 5 years. Almost 5 years next year will be of me doing lives. And I'm never stopping. Do you know why I like doing them? It's very simple. It's very simple. People say all the time, how the freak is this man live every Tuesday, Friday? Even when I'm traveling the planet, I still go live. Sometimes more than twice a week. Because I actually enjoy doing that. I'm not, what do you want me to lie to you? I don't care for posting, comments, DMs, story. I don't care for any of it. But the lives is the only time that I'm like, I get to give back. I get to connect with you guys. I already know why I'm successful, why I'm a blessed man, is because my course is free. Because I come here twice a week, every week, to put you back in alignment. When you lose focus and when you degenerate, when you become a degenerate, damn, Professor's there. Let me pull up at least once. Maybe I'll pick something up to help me out. And I got you. I got you. That, when the virus happened in 2020, I was in severe depression when campuses were closed worldwide. I was screwed. I was screwed. I was in a very bad state of mind because they took away my ability to connect with my students. 12 years in the game, folks. Economics professor. 12 years in the game. And social media, the live, became my solace to connect back to all of you. And I fell in love with it. And I was like, I'm going to disappear, but this is my connection back to you. I'm not going nowhere. Boom. Stop yapping, man. All right, you're getting blocked, Pat. Have a good one, my brother. Have a good one. You must be new. You're getting blocked. What a low life. Hasta luego. All right, cool. He's gone. So, point being, you must be new. This is what I do, Pat. Get a life, Pat Murphy. Get a life. You're not paying me to be here, you weird-looking creature. All right, let me calm down. I love when Pat Murphy. Bye-bye, Pat. You know it, JP. This is why we love you, Professor. Appreciate you, IK. I appreciate you. So, back to the point. We're on a stage 3. If that person wins the you-know-what, expect this. There's a lot of uncertainty in the market. The S&P 500 is at record levels. And every other day, it keeps going higher and higher and higher. Do you not remember what happened during the virus? Do you not remember what happened during the virus? Do you not? There was a massive sell-off. The S&P sold off, the crypto market sold off. What's at record levels? S&P 500. What's at record levels? Bitcoin. Put 2 and 2 together. There's a higher probability of a crash, a fall, a drop in value than of it going higher. As of now. As in next month being a very pivotal point. Because, man, I don't want to go into this. But if the other guy becomes the you-know-what, TRUMP, they will not allow him to it. They will cheat, they will scam, they will take advantage and do everything under the sun to make sure that man does not become you-know-what. That man does not you-know-what. Because the vice president, VANCE, loves this. TRUMP loves this. The other characters do not. Do not. And this is a big issue. If that man TRUMP does this, wins this, it's so easy. I can just write on the board and keep pointing to it. Do you understand? They will delete him. there is a high probability they will delete him. Do you not understand? They've tried thrice already. He is an issue to the world order. He is a big problem for them. Because even though they're puppets in control of the strings, he is control too. It's a double-sided coin on the same coin. But he just has less strings attached to him. Because they're all connected. Don't think for 1 second that he's one man. You think he's going to fix everything? There's people under him that is corrupt. There's corruption across the planet. Never before seen levels of corruption worldwide, for God's sakes. He can't fix it all. But the point I'm trying to make is, two events will take place. They will either delete him or do such a major catastrophic event somewhere in the world that you know what ends up happening. I'm not talking too much. I'm not talking too much. But what the point, David, don't get blocked. David, don't get blocked. Don't get blocked. Don't get blocked with the blue suit. I will do it in 2 seconds. Stop repeating yourself with your questions. Stop repeating yourself. You're one question away from getting blocked, David, with the blue suit. Blue suit, white shirt. Understand that. They will trigger a cataclysmic event to prevent that man from ever coming back into the office. They released a bioweapon on the earth and shut the planet down. For God's sakes. Because that man was doing so much good for the economy. Do you not understand what is at play here? Do you not understand what is at play here? We are at a very, very pivotal point. Their 2030 agenda cannot be interfered with. Cannot be. And TRUMP will interfere with those plans. So, for my very, very, very long rant, what was the guy's name I blocked? Pat? Is it still there or is it gone? What was his name? Here we go. Pat Murphy. I'm sure he's still watching, you weirdo. For my very long rant, because if you probably have a low IQ, it's okay. You're probably a low frequency, low IQ human being, which is okay. It's common. My rants are all connected back to this, you weird looking creature. They're all connected back to this. If you don't know. So the point is, we are at a pivotal point. Could this break out and go into the 75s, 80,000, explode wildly? Of course it can. Of course. But there's a higher probability same things have happened in the past. All I do, I'm going to read a page out of the book for a second. Guys, if you have my book, I'm going to read a page out of it to make you understand. It's in the beginning of the book. To understand the present and the future, you must understand the past. And if you think that a pullback is not happening, a major one, God bless you. That's all I'm trying to say. Pivotal points are about to happen. Major chess pieces are being put in place. God knows what could happen. Just keep that in mind. So there's my outlook with BTC. It's just holding there. Next month will be the game of the games to be played. Boom, boom, boom. There you go. Any questions about what I said with BTC? Any questions on what I said with BTC? Let's go to the next one. Next one is Ethereum. Any questions? Let me answer that. Next one is Ethereum. Shirt is a little wrinkled. Okay. There we go. All right, next one. ETH. Nope. Yes, my favorite. That was good. I'm glad you liked it, guys. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you all for joining me on the live. Thank you. For the people watching on TikTok, get on the YouTube, folks. Day Trade Professor. I'm live every Tuesday, Friday. Free. My course, free. You can't afford anything I sell. No worries. Go live your life. It's okay. So now we're looking at ETH right here. If you notice, stage 1, stage 2, massive stage 3, stage 4. Now we started a stage 1. Let's see what happens here. We are holding, here are my levels, by the way. We're holding very nicely here. Remember, one thing you should understand is, when do you buy specific coins at key levels? No one can time the bottom, no one can time the top. You could just try your best. If you're a long-term believer in it, come on. Come on at this point. Come on, baby. You got to. You got to. It's on the school emblem. It's floating right here. It's floating right there. So we're holding very nicely here. Let me clean up the board. Let's zoom in a little bit. You want to buy as close to a key level as possible. Ethereum, which I said again is 2276. Hold right here. Try not to buy at a level of resistance, because if you notice, it is holding very nicely here. And it's been consolidating here for a few weeks. Boom. There's my outlook on ETH. Let's keep going down the line. Madic. So the altcoin market has been down big. Let's talk about it. You could go, come close to me. You could go into any altcoin and they are down drastically across the board. This is the thing you need to understand. These anomalies happen. This is perfectly normal. Where Bitcoin has just been holding and altcoins have been selling off. Very simple. People took their profits. People sold all the way down. If you go back to my videos on IG, after the multiple pumps altcoins had, I said, just hit sell. I said, at least take half off. At least take and get in a better price than the top of the top of the top of the altcoin movement. That's all I said. You go back and watch my IG videos and read the comments where I was viciously attacked in the comment section. That's all I'm trying to tell you. So don't think, oh my God, Madic's down. I could go through 100 altcoins and 99% of them are down. And Bitcoin is holding. This happens. You have to understand, this is a whole ecosystem behind this. This is just Madic as an example. I could go into other coins as well. This has happened multiple times in the past where altcoins came crashing down and everyone's like, oh my God. And then what happens every single time, which I'll go over in a second, it goes right back up. Sometimes, what was that, a beginning quote? Let's see who was paying attention in the beginning. Who was telling, who knows? Flood the chat. Who knows that name? What was I saying in the beginning of the live? Blank, blank, blank. I said it like 10 times on repeat. What did I say? Come on. What did I say? What did I say in the beginning of the live? Like 10 times I repeated myself. It has to do with altcoins right here. I didn't say that, Cello. I didn't say no pain, no gain. I want the exact quote. Hey, Luke was paying attention. With hardship comes ease. While everyone is like, oh my God, this, that, the third. Last time I checked, come on, let's look at the past. Because I think you need a reminder. just because it's taking a little longer doesn't mean that it's the end all be all of something. That's it. It's finished. Kaput. Finito. What are you doing? Do you not know that this is a common cycle in everything? You act like this is a, what do you guys call it? SHIT coin? I don't like that term. But it's not a SHIT coin. It's not a coin some influencer created and pumped. There's a whole ecosystem behind Madic. Behind many of the coins that are out there, for God's sakes. With hardship comes ease. For you to enjoy the good times, the ease, you must deal with the suffering of it. Imagine you were someone, maybe you are watching these, you are someone. Imagine you're someone that bought this at $250, for God's sakes. For God's sakes. Go watch my video that I posted of Madic, my number one altcoin. I told y'all to buy it at 50 something cents. And that thing pumped to $1 something. 100% return. More than 100% return. Keep that in mind. So that's the situation with altcoin. Altcoin. With Madic, but also a lot of other altcoins, which I'm going to go into. What just happened? Okay. Next one, Bonk. What the? My board is tweaking. All right, are we good today? What's up, guys? What's up, board? We good? Are we good? Okay, cool. Bonk. By the way, before I do that, like I said, the book release for pre-order is out. The How to Just Hit Sell Trading Consistently. By the way, just to tell you, if you thought this book was a game changer, you haven't seen anything yet. This one right here, How to Just Hit Sell Consistently Trading, will be the first of its kind where you scan a QR code and I will stand there, sitting, and I will read it to you cover to cover. That's version 1. Then when you scan another code, I will sit there and I will go on tangents and give you a deeper analysis of the book, Just Hit Sell. That's what's happening with this one right here. This book is this. The Consistent Trader Journal and Checklist. I will, in this, show you how to use it. Where I will sit and take a live trade, futures, while I journal and use the checklist live in a trade, trading futures, getting in contracts, in and out, long, short, whatever the case is. This will keep you in line and help you, because if you're not physically journaling, physically using a checklist, what are you doing? If you get the bundle, you get everything for free and you could win. And I'll do the live giveaway December 31st, 2024, the New Year's Eve. I'll be here live. It's a Tuesday. I have to be here live. I've already gave you my word. You buy a bundle together. Pre-orders, by the way. These are not shipping out till next year. These are pre-orders. If you buy any of this after January 1st, after December 31st, no free shipping, no free merch, no giveaways, no nothing. This has to be bought within the next 2 months. So just so you know, there you go. Boom. Everything's live as promised. All right, let's go back. Bonk. Same thing as Bonk. But the thing I like about Bonk, if you want to swing it, scalp it, Bonk moves nicely within the day. I know Mr. Sadhu Nails. I tried contacting you directly and could not contact you directly. Email how to contact you, please. I am new. You don't contact me. We don't get in touch. It doesn't work that way. You can talk to me like here. You're not a mentorship student. I'm just being honest. Boom. Hey, sir, what version of the book do I start with? This one. This one. How to be a consistent trader. Mr. from Oregon, you don't get in touch with me, my brother. It doesn't work that way. Boom. You just start the free course, watch the lives, go live your life. You don't get in touch. We don't talk. It doesn't work that way. So this Bonk is a great ticker for scalping. Because again, the person that put this in there was only one, Mr. Sadhu Nails, my mentorship student. This is great to scalp. He has KuCoin. I taught him how to scalp it. He's been doing well. You use KuCoin long and short on this. But yeah, as of now, it's a nice trend. It's been going up for the past 4 days. Go for it. It is stuck. This is Bonk. It is stuck right here. But you can trade within this, Mr. Sadhu Nails. Boom. There you go on Bonk. It is on a downtrend. It is hitting the top of it. But I know you just scalp it. You're not swinging this. You scalp Bonk regularly. But just keep in mind, there might be another push down if it breaks that resistance and trend line. Boom. In regards to pricing on the courses, we just have to buy the course from you. Everything is daytradeprofessor.com. You learn everything from there. Everything you need is daytradeprofessor.com. A person from Oregon. I just call you Mr. Oregon. Everything is there. Everything. It's in the description of the YouTube video. Here, I'll drop it. No, I can't even drop it. It's pinned. It's pinned. But yeah, if you want to meet me in person, if you want to be in the class, daytradeprofessor.com, sign up for the mentorship. By the way, prices go up drastically January 1st. People are booking March. I had a whole bunch of, I'm like, what's going on? They're like, Professor, March? I said, they're just booking ahead. They're just booking ahead. So prices go up drastically January 1st. I'm just giving you a heads up now. And the prices of last year don't exist. The price of this year won't exist. So you can book now and then get the cheaper prices. So there's the Bonk right there. All right, let's keep going. Next one, Arrow, A-E-R-O. Arrow is a fairly new crypto coin. Stage 1, stage 2. Fairly new crypto coin. Boom. It's on a nice stage 2. Once it starts, here's some levels right there. A lot of you put this in my thing, so I'll give you the levels. 143, 165, 188, and 203. Those are your levels right there. Every time it hits, it battles it, pushes through. Right now, it's battling it at 143 and then 165, 188. It's looking good. It's bullish. Follow the trend. Once you see a little weakness, get out. There you go on Arrow. Next one, Phantom, FTM. Stage 1, stage 2. Same thing. We got here. I'll give you the levels. $81, $95, $1.25. Same thing. Stage 2, moving nicely right there. Boom. So if we cannot afford the full pricing, you are off. I mean, not able. There's a payment plan, Mr. Oregon. There's a payment plan for the mentorship if you can't afford it. But yeah, if you can't even afford the payment plan, just use the free course, come to these lives, and that's it. That's it. Just use that to help you as much as you can. Or go work multiple jobs, grind, push yourself if you truly want it. Boom. Or use the free course, use these lives, make money trading futures, and then use that money and pull up to the class and have me as your mentor so I can guide you in person. Boom. Buy the book, use it to make a little extra, then go. Thank you, Jason. What book is that? Right here. Farouk. No, too late. You should have posted on the stories, not here. What's up, Eric? So there you go on FTM. Nice stage 2. Watch it at 81 cents. Watch it at 81 cents. A lot of sellers here. Next ticker. Let's keep it going. Sol. Now, let me show you. If you want to look at it from a higher perspective, what does Sol look like? What does it look like? Tell me in the chat. What does Sol look like? I understand that you don't know much about options, but the book will be here for help to trade options. Yes. Bobo, go to futures. No implied volatility, no Greeks. Trust me. Get off of options. Thank you. I am with a medical condition. I wish I could go to work. I understand. Bitcoin, smash the like. Thank you, Eric. Tony, stage 3, cup and handle. Is the book enough for me to start live trading, or should I wait for the mentorship? The book is enough, David. Finally, David asked a valid question. This book, start with the book, make some money. I always tell you guys the formula. Free course, then the book, then come to class. Do not pay me, do not come to my class unless you follow that format. Follow the format, for God's sakes. And if you feel like I am the person that's going to be the person you come to class with, then look at my daytradeprofessor.com. By the way, I'll never message you on Telegram. I will never ask you to send me Bitcoin. I know about the 1,000+ fake TikTok accounts. You are not talking to me on social media. I 99% guarantee you. If they're asking you for cryptocurrency, it ain't me. But back to the point, follow that structure. And if you feel like I will be, book it for May. The last date is May. So boom. Stage 3, I didn't ask what stage it's on. I think I did. I don't even remember. But yes, it looks just like Bitcoin. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 months of no direction. 6 months of no direction. One direction, no direction. High probability of what happening? Flood the chat. High probability of what happening? Flood the chat. Professor, brother, the pastor. What's up, my brother, Urban? Good to see you. Praise God. Praise God, Urban. Good to see you. Thank you, Professor. I just read the book. It's really good. Thank you, David. Professor, do you also trade Forex? No. Stay away from Forex. Bad brokers. Each broker has their own pricing for the same damn ticker. Why do you people get obsessed with? I know, because it's the leverage. I know. I sincerely appreciate your instructions. You got it. Do you have FET, Professor? Something like that. Going down, instructions, like and share, bull run. Pastor JP, Elena, and so January mentorship in here deep. Let's go! Tony, I'm so happy to see you active again. Yo, shout out to Tony La from California. I think he's in Los Angeles. Tony jumped to the futures, wasn't doing so well, went through my live trading videos, properly took notes on the live trading videos, saw how I was trading, making money, losing money, what I was doing, and then my boy Tony started making money. He goes, Professor, I just followed your live trades. I just looked at them better. I analyzed it more carefully. So shout out to you. Praise God, Tony. So happy to see that, man. Did you send your mom the money that I told you to? By the way, I'll give you guys a hack for life, by the way. I'll give you a hack for life. Ready? You going through some suffering? Wire transfer your mom some money. Just wire transfer your, but if your mother's not alive, your father. If your father's not alive, somebody poor in your family. If they're not alive, if you don't have poor people in your family, then send it to a damn homeless person. Not money, buy them food. Professor, what do you think about gold? We're not talking about gold. I'm gonna block this guy. No, let me be nice. It says crypto market analysis, not precious metals. Thank you. Trying to be more consistent. That's it. We just try every day, Tony. How to be a consistent trader. The Consistent Trader Journal Checklist. Tony, we all are in our life are just trying to be a little more consistent. That's all it is. Every day we just try to be a little better. Just ordered both books. I can't wait to get them. I really appreciate Professor for sharing. Let's go, IK. Thank you. Yes, sir. Spent the day with her. I love it. Let's go, Tony, the street dancer. Yeah, Tony. You spent the day with who? Your mom? Let's go. You took her out to a restaurant, Tony? What did you buy her? Let's go, Tony. My man, listen to me. I appreciate you. I told him. I said, now that you're doing well, take your mom out to dinner and buy her something nice. What'd you buy her, Tony? It could dump, but I think it will do well. Okay. Pardon me, sir. Your pardon. Do you also teach to trade stocks? I trade stocks. Payment plan makes it super affordable. Lyft, Uber, DoorDash. Go get that hustle. Aladino, my man. Aladino's the best uncle of all time. He bought his nephew a mentorship. By the way, Aladino, He came to the mentorship, the last one in September, high as a bird. High as a bird. He was smoking that Zaza up the zing. Go give him a lecture. Professor, if you don't need the money, why do you keep raising the price of the courses every year? Phenomenal question. Phenomenal. Who can, I'm not going to answer it. Who can answer why prices keep going higher? Who can answer that? Who can answer the world tour? I like it, I like it, I like it. Very good. Whoa, Tony. Just trying to be better. Professor, which is more risky to trade? Options. Tony, we bought groceries from the store and me and my little brother helped her cook. Tony, I'm proud of you, man. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Wait, why the laughing emojis? What's the joke? I want to laugh too. Why are you guys laughing? What's the laughing emojis? I hate that the chat is delayed. I don't know what the hell the joke was. For who wants it the most? To keep away broke mindset people. Boom, boom. Because you need to invest in yourself to keep the watchers out of our circle. Got it. We don't want degenerates in the family. Got it. Weed out the low frequency, low quality individuals. Got it. Professor wants high quality people to learn from him, not low quality. Got it. That is the reason why, World Tour. Prices will go up year to year to year. What I teach you, and you know, and I'm going to be straight with you. If you think the price is a problem, you're a low frequency individual. You're a weak mindset individual. Because I'm going to tell you why. If you truly had any common sense, straight common sense, you know that price is drastically low for what you get from me. You know that if you put everything I said, you create an infinite money printer. The price of the books is nothing in the bigger scheme of things. That's what you don't understand. And that's why. How much will it be? Every year, just keep increasing it drastically. Every year. Every year, just keep drastically increasing it. Wait till the school opens. You think the price is high now? Wait till the campus opens. You don't know what high prices is until you see that. That's the point if you want a summary of it. If you think that's high, you're not for it. Trading is not for you. When you can make what I teach you and become an infinite money printer, have direct access to me, cut your time in half. All I do is I buy back my time and I live my life on my terms. That's all I do. I don't answer to anyone I don't want to answer to. I want to leave and disappear for a week to the mountains. I disappear for the week for the mountains. I want to trade. I want to open up my Samsung Z Fold in the bathtub while I'm soaking for 2 hours. And I'm going to take a trade and make some money. I'm going to take a trade and make some money. I am an infinite money printer myself. You get access to the secret Instagram. Talk to my mentorship students. Mentorship students, have I ever not replied back to your DMs in a timely fashion? Flooded. I've never ignored a single one of my mentorship students. Never. Do you trade how to trade futures? Yes. The new book, Just Hit Sell, has futures in it. The third book, my third book, pre-order is out. The price should be double. Oh, it's going to get there, Fortune. I know people have told me to keep increasing it. It's going to keep increasing. The prices is only going to go up. They'll never go down. There will be no Black Friday sale. There'll be none of the above. You make it back in one trade, 100%. If I wanted to get yelled at for my trading, I show up to my wife portfolio. Tone it down, my friend. Hey, if you think this is yelling, free lunch trader, you have a pathetic little existence. You're getting blocked. Hasta luego. If you can't tell the difference between passion and yelling, you're a low frequency individual. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Enjoy the free live. I don't have a problem paying it. It was just an innocent question. No offense taken, World Tour. I answered it. If an offense was taken, I would have blocked you. There was no offense taken at all. You are always responded. Never. Infinite money printer. Great. Always, but always he answers. Thank you. Always there for us. What's your summary for the next 3 weeks? Are you out of the market completely in cash? Different portfolios. Always there when we need him. Thank you, Jeanette. What brokers do you use? Hasta luego, international professor. Hello. Too sensitive people nowadays. I know. So boom. Back to the charts. Come back. Let's go. Come on. The camera's tweaking. Oh, it's already zoomed in. Very similar to Bitcoin. And stage 3. Could it keep going? Of course. But what is it a higher chance of? Higher percentage of it coming down. Higher percentage of it coming down. That's all it is. It's already had a monster move. It went from $13. Right now it's sitting at $154. Could it keep going? Of course. I'm not saying it can't keep going. I'm just letting you know. Higher probability. Was that the last? That was the last ticker. That was the last ticker. I just bought your book. Thank you, brother. Thank you. All right, you already know what I'm going to do. Let's do it. Quote from the Quran. Let's see if something that we can talk about. By the way, if you want this version, link in the bio as well. Let's pick a random chapter. Let's go. Something that we could talk about today. Ooh, this is good. All right, chapter 10. Prophet Jonah. Or the Arabs would say Yunus, but Prophet Jonah, chapter 10, verse 24. The life of this world is just like rain. We send down from the sky, producing a mixture of plants which humans and animals consume. Then just as the earth looks its best, perfectly beautified, and its people think they have full control over it, there comes to it our command by night, by day. So we mow it down as if it never flourished yesterday. This is how we make the signs clear for people who reflect. That's a damn God. God just dropped the mic on that one. That was a major quote right there. Crazy that they just randomly dropped on that one. I think it's the best quote I ever read during one of these lives. What does this tell you? Flood the chat. What does that tell you? Flood the chat. What does that quote mean to you? Because what it means to me is, with hardship comes ease. There are times where blessings are rained down on you from every corner. Every window you open, blessings. Every door you open, blessings. Blessings, blessings, blessings. But then you start yapping about the fact that you're blessed. You start showing everybody, oh, look at this. Oh my God, oh my God. God comes down and said, arrogance. You start doing things that you know you shouldn't have done. Keep your head down. Make your money. Stop getting involved in other people's affairs and dramas. That does not pay you a cent. The trading profession has become a joke and memes on memes. They make memes about your boy right here. All the time. The tightness of my suits, that I get Botox, that I have fillers, that I have plastic surgery, that my hair is fake. You name it, I've been called it. It doesn't affect me. Last time I checked, every one of those is a compliment. Professionally tailored suit. Hair, gotta love it. Not a single drop of Botox, no fillers, no plastic surgery. I'm a Muslim, I'm not allowed to get plastic surgery. Point of the conversation is, blessings come, and if you're not appreciative of it, blessings can be taken away. For God's sakes. Look at what happens worldwide. Some people have it all, and then it's taken away from them. Monday to Thursday, you perform so well trading, and then Friday, you give it all back to the market because you became arrogant, you became cocky, you thought you were better than the market, and the market slapped you around and said, I don't think so, little buddy. You take a trade, your position sizing is A1, and then you just get a little too cocky and you start making too much, and you're like, yeah, I got this. And then got slapped by the market and it takes it back plus 10 times more. Because you refuse to understand that it's not your reality. It's what the market wants to do for you in your reality. The market runs the show. Your brain wants pleasure. Your brain wants enjoyment. And that's why the market slaps you around, because you don't want to feel pain, because you choose not to hit sell. You choose to stay in the trade longer when you need to rewire this to think about probabilities, risk management. That's what you need to change your mind in. I'll give you an analogy. I'm a motorcycle rider. I've had my license since I was 18. All right? I've been riding since I haven't been riding since I was 18, but I got my license at 18. My father at 18 didn't let me. Once I got the license, he goes, you're not getting it. Thank God. Praise God, I'll probably be dead. But point of the conversation is, stay with me here. Flood the chat if you're a motorcycle rider, by the way. Flood the chat if you're a motorcycle rider. Because I'm going into a deep analogy here. Can't wait to go to class and meet you in person. Ulysses, I'm excited to meet you too, man. Your wife bought you the mentorship, right? Professor, what do you think about ancient Greece? It's awesome. I've been to Greece. Not ancient Greece, but I've been to Greece. The Evil Eye, yes sir, always Evil Eye. Pre-ordered the other 2 books. Make sure when you guys pre-order, you're pre-ordering the bundle. So you can be in you get all the merch for free. Free shipping, the shippings cost a fortune. After December 31st, the free shipping is gone. No free merch, no mentorship giveaway. All of it's gone. The shipping cost a fortune. Don't get me started. If I could tell you how much I'm not getting into it. I'm not getting into it. Legit just giving the market back some money during this live. Damn, Jason Bartle. What trading platform do you use to trade futures? Read my 3rd book. It's in there. Oh, I got slapped. You speak the truth. Thank you. JP's laughing. Me too, pretty. Ulysses says hands up. Thanks for the lesson, Professor. Simon, the lesson's not done. You late, Tony. Yes, sir. Licensed, but don't ride except in Asia. I wish, kind of. I used to ride motorcycles. You know Tony rides. Tony was in a coma for a long time over there. Back to the point. Ready for this analogy. Motorcycle riding is all about trading the market. Stay with me. When I ride a motorcycle, am I defensive or offensive? Meaning, if I'm riding, I'm constantly have to be aware of cars that could hit me, cars that will break red lights, break stop signs, cut in front of me. I live in New York. All of that, I have to be on the defense. I have to watch out for cops. I have to watch out for red light cameras. I have to watch out for this 25-hour speed limit cameras. I have to watch out for children running the street. I have to watch out for, New York potholes. Should I keep going? As I'm riding like this, my hand is always like this. I have an electric sports bike. Ready to grab the brake. And then on the pedal, with my foot. I am more ready to hit the brake than anything else. I have to be aware. What is that? Me hitting the brake, slowing down, taking some positions off, taking some contracts off if the trade is going against me. If a car is coming, it's my right of way, but the car cuts me off. I'm not going to keep going, hit the car and fly off and die. Too many of you depend on me. What do I have to do? I have to be the man, drop my ego, and slow down. If the trade goes against me, I have to be willing to get out the trade and take a little damage to myself. The brakes were pushed a little too hard. Better than me going right into it, crashing, flying, and dying and losing my account. Motorcycle riding and the markets is literally 1-on-1. I have to drop my ego. Cars will try to hit me. I will back away from them. I have to be cognizant of that at all times. I have to be aware of the candles. If I'm in a long, I took a few, I traded today, I made a little bit of money. I was long and short, quick scalps, in and out. Extremely busy today. So quick scalps, made the moves, all of it. I had to look at the candles. I know that the market is moving a little wild. So guess what? I lower my position size. I'm not going to go full speed. Lower my speed. I have to be ready to hit the brake, pause, get out quickly if something goes against, because the market just keeps going higher and higher and higher. The market is all about managing your risk, not about just making lots of money. The money comes with time. Money is a delayed indicator to success. Money is a delayed indicator to success. Money eventually comes. Money will eventually come. Once you become successful in trading, the money will eventually show up. What don't you understand? Mentorship students, I hope that video I made about futures trading 101 helped you. I did a full course from A to Z about futures trading. I took some live trades, showed the P&L, my breakdown of the trade. Hopefully, I hope it helped you. On your site, you offer 4 books. Which one do you recommend purchasing? Is there an order to read them? 8-person, buy all of them. Guys, I don't know why we're asking. This is going to be the new problem for me. Oh, buy all of them. And there's not 4 books. There's 3 books. I only wrote 3 books. It's not 4. Buy all 3. Buy all 3. There should not even be a conversation. You buy all 3. All 3 will help you. Literally. Literally. I am the person you watch Tuesdays and Fridays. I wrote 3 books. Of course you're going to get all 3. Great analogy. If I had a if a had a loss, damn, that's not English. If a had a loss, I had. Oh my God, I can't. That's not English. Is there an order to read them? Well, number one, the last two are not out. They're pre-orders. Just order this first. We'll talk about the order to read them next year. But as of now, start reading this immediately. You'll get this fast. The just hit sell. Oh, sorry. How to be a consistent trader. You'll get this. This is already out. This is pre-order. You won't get this till next year. But you can get the pre-order so you can get all the free merch. All of that. But make sure you buy the bundle. Get the bundle so you can get in the giveaway for a free mentorship. I've never done that. I've never done that, for God's sakes. How would you not get the bundle? Free shipping. The merch. How would you not get that? I might do other giveaways too. I don't know. But that's my life. That's my analogy. With hardship comes ease. Listen to me. It's worth it. It's all worth it at the end if you truly want it. May peace be upon you.